You're about to jet off on that dream vacation, or maybe you're finally diving into that digital nomad lifestyle. You've packed your bags, booked your flights, and then you remember your YouTrip card. That magical multi-currency wallet that's going to save you from those pesky exchange fees. But a nagging question pops up: how long is this thing actually going to take to arrive? If you've ever found yourself staring at your phone, refreshing your email, wondering where your travel companion is, you're not alone. We've all been there. Waiting. That limbo period between clicking order and finally holding that sleek card in your hand. It's a crucial part of your travel planning, and honestly, a bit of a stressor. Let's cut to the chase. The time it takes to receive your YouTrip card can vary. It's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Several factors play a role in this timeline, and understanding them can save you from a last-minute panic. First up, where are you located? If you're in a major metropolitan area with efficient postal services, you're likely to see your card arrive faster. Think a few business days. However, if you're in a more remote location, or if the postal services are experiencing delays, it could take a bit longer. We're talking potentially a week or even two. Then there's the application and verification process. YouTrip, like any financial institution, needs to verify your identity. This is for your security and theirs. If there are any hiccups in this process, like incorrect information or difficulties verifying your documents, it can add to the overall delivery time. Don't forget the processing time itself. Once your application is approved, YouTrip needs to physically produce and dispatch your card. This usually takes a couple of business days, but it's still a factor to consider. And, of course, there's the ever-unpredictable world of shipping. Postal services can be affected by public holidays, weather conditions, and even just general backlogs. These things are often out of YouTrip's control, but they can still impact when your card arrives. So, what's the takeaway here? Don't leave it until the last minute. The best advice is to apply for your YouTrip card well in advance of your trip. Ideally, give yourself at least 2 weeks, if not more, to account for any potential delays. Once you've applied, keep an eye on your email for updates from YouTrip. They'll usually provide tracking information, so you can monitor the progress of your delivery. And if you're getting anxious, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support. They're there to help, and they can give you a more specific estimate based on your location and application status. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. Having your YouTrip card in hand before you travel means you can focus on the fun stuff, like exploring new places and trying new foods, instead of worrying about exchange rates and ATM fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.